Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Building credit is an essential financial goal, as it opens doors to better borrowing opportunities and can impact various aspects of your financial life. Whether you're starting from scratch or trying to rebuild your credit, here are some credit building tips. Check your credit report. Begin by obtaining a copy of your credit report from all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can access a free copy once a year from each bureau through annualcreditreport.com. Review your reports for errors, discrepancies, or any negative items that need addressing. Understand your current situation. Know where you stand with your credit score. This will help you set realistic goals and track your progress over time. You can get free access to your credit score from various financial websites and apps. Create a budget. Establish a budget to manage your finances effectively. This ensures you have the funds to cover your monthly expenses and make on-time payments. Budgeting also helps you avoid overspending. Get a secured credit card. If you have little to no credit history or a low credit score, consider applying for a secured credit card. Secured cards require a security deposit, which acts as collateral and minimizes risk for the issuer. Use the card responsibly and make on-time payments to build positive credit history. Become an authorized user. Ask a family member or close friend with a good credit history if you can become an authorized user on one of their credit card accounts. Their positive payment history can be reported on your credit report and boost your score. Apply for a credit builder loan. Some financial institutions offer credit builder loans, designed to help individuals build or rebuild credit. These loans typically have lower risk for the lender, and the payments you make are reported to the credit bureaus. Pay bills on time. Consistently make on-time payments for all your financial obligations, including credit cards, loans, rent, and utilities. Payment history is a crucial factor in your credit score. Keep credit card balances low. Avoid maxing out your credit cards. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio, credit card balances divided by credit limits, below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. Diversify your credit mix. Over time, consider adding different types of credit to your profile, such as an installment loan, e.g., a personal loan or auto loan, in addition to credit cards. Don't close old accounts. Keep older credit accounts open, as they contribute to the length of your credit history. Closing them may shorten your credit history, which can negatively impact your score. Limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Apply for new credit only when necessary. Monitor your credit regularly. Continuously monitor your credit reports and scores to track your progress and identify any issues or discrepancies promptly. Be patient. Building credit takes time. Consistently practicing good credit habits and demonstrating responsible financial behavior will yield positive results over time. Remember that building good credit is a long-term process. Stay committed to responsible financial practices, and over time, you'll see improvements in your credit score and access to better financial opportunities. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.